The Earth is made out of three main sections: the core, mantle, and the crust. The crust. This is the tiniest layer in form of the outer shell on which life exists. The two types of crust is the oceanic crust and the continental crust. Oceanic crust is the uppermost layer of the oceanic portion of a tectonic plate. Continental crust, layer of rocks and minerals that comprises the continents and the continental shelves. 35 to 70 kilometers deep. Mohorovičić discontinuity, boundary between the crust and the mountain. Mantle, the thickest and largest part of the Earth's interior. Lower mantle, 1,420 miles thick, as a convection currents which are caused by temperature variations. Lithosphere, comprising the crust and the uppermost part of the mantle. Asthenosphere, located near the upper mantle just below the lithosphere. Core, the innermost layer. Inner core, solid layer composed mostly of heavy metals like iron and nickel. 1,250 kilometers deep.